Hello everybody! Today let's learn about the continents. I've also written down the oceans so we can learn about those too, where they are. So the 7 continents we have here, let's start over here. So we have Europe, we have Asia, we have Africa. We are down here in Australia. And then we have America. So America is North America and South America. And then we also have Antarctica down here. Antarctica has land underneath, and this is why it's continent. Fun fact, where you have the Arctic, there is no land underneath. No land under the Arctic. So we have the Arctic Ocean up here, and down here it's called the Southern Ocean. Here we have the Indian Ocean, because India is this little corner right here. And then we have the Pacific Ocean, which is on this side between Asia and America over here. So that's one big Pacific Ocean. That's the biggest ocean. And then we have the Atlantic Ocean here between Europe and Africa and America. So they're the biggest oceans. Of course, there are smaller ones too. Now, here are some pictures. I printed this off somewhere online. I don't remember. So we have just some pictures here. They are not accurate to size because Asia is actually much bigger. It's just a little picture. Anyway, so Asia looks around about like this. We have Australia here, which also includes Australasia and Oceania. Then we have Europe. We have North America and we have South America. Then we also have Africa and Antarctica. So, continents. A continent is a massive area of land that is separated from others by water or other natural features. There are 7 continents on Earth, and together they cover 1/3 of the world, with the oceans covering the other 2/3. 5 of the 7 continents are joined by land to other continents, while Antarctica and Australasia are separated from the others by oceans. Each continent has a wide range of different landscapes, weather, and animal life. And you can actually pick a continent if you want to research, because they're all such unique animals and landscapes and nature and ecosystems in all these different areas. It's very, very interesting. So Australia is a continent, a country, and an island. All other continents have many countries except Antarctica. Antarctica, by the way, belongs to everybody. Now, we have some tectonic plates, and tectonic plates, actually, I'll read this, it might explain it a little better. So on this picture here, it shows where each tectonic plate is, and the lines are basically where tectonic plates meet. So tectonic plates are underneath what we can see. So they're the ground that's under the ocean. Tectonic plates. Earth's surface appears to be still, but it is actually constantly on the move. Its outer shell is made up of huge slabs of moving rock called tectonic plates. The plates fit together like puzzle pieces to make up Earth's surface. Their movements change the planet's features depending on how the plates meet. Some plates are crunching together and may form mountains. Others are splitting apart. When this occurs under the ocean, it creates new ocean floor. Some plates grind past each other. These are the most likely to cause earthquakes. So, tectonic plates move on average about 1 inch, about 2.5 centimeters per year. This is about as fast as a fingernail grows. And this is a little bit of a diagram. It's a little hard to see. It's printed out so teeny tiny. I apologize. So let's see if I can explain this here. So for example, when plates rub against each other like this is when they form earthquakes. And sometimes the plates can move apart, and like it just said, it can create new ocean floor. Sometimes the plates meet together and go up, and that way they form mountains. Or they can also go one below the other one, and that will also form mountains. In some cases, this will also cause volcanoes and volcanic eruptions, because there might be some molten lava underneath. So they're the cracks. So these ones are the cracks basically that are in the Earth's crust. And where they meet are more likely to be volcanoes and also mountains. So for example, especially on the western coast of America and South America, we have the Andes down here. So you see how there's an edge there from a tectonic plate, and here as well. We have Rocky Mountains over here and Andes down here. So they're all rocks or mountain formations that have formed through the movement of the tectonic plates. And also in these areas here, we have lots of volcanoes. So they're the volcanic hotspots sometimes where these tectonic plates meet. So it's very interesting to just know about tectonic plates and how the surface of the Earth actually moves little by little and how it has changed over time. Now, originally there was a supercontinent. It was called Pangaea, and all of these continents were basically together in one big continent, and slowly over millions of years they have drifted apart. And if you can see South America, if you would take it and fit it into the Africa bit, it would fit right in there like a puzzle piece. See that corner there? So it would fit right in there. And this bit has come from there. But here you can see it really, really well. So it's really interesting. If you love geography, I encourage you to pick a continent. Pick a continent and research about it and make your own beautiful presentation. Okay, that's all for the continent project. I will see you in the next video. Bye.